The idea of exploring world cuisines began as a simple interest but slowly grew into a personal mission to understand people through their food. Every country expresses its identity through flavors, cooking methods, and shared meals. Food is not only nourishment. It is culture, history, and emotions served on a plate. My culinary adventure started at a local international food festival where aromas from dozens of countries blended together in the air. The moment I entered the space, I knew that this experience would change the way I understood the world. The first cuisine I tried was Japanese. The simplicity and precision of the dishes surprised me. A bowl of miso soup seemed gentle at first, but each sip revealed layers of balance. Sushi, with its fresh ingredients and delicate textures, showed me that attention to detail can turn a small piece of food into a work of art. The Japanese approach to cooking taught me that patience and respect for ingredients are central to their culture. Next, I explored Indian cuisine, which felt like stepping into a universe of spices. Curries offered warmth and complexity, while naan bread brought comfort. The variety of flavors reflected the diversity of the country itself. Each region, each household, and each cook had a unique interpretation of traditional dishes. From the bright heat of chili to the deep sweetness of cardamom, Indian food revealed stories of trade, history, and tradition. As my adventure continued, I realized that exploring global cuisines was not only about tasting food. It was about understanding the values, beliefs, and everyday lives of the people who created those dishes. Every meal told a deeper story. After experiencing Asian cuisines, I shifted my focus toward the Mediterranean region, where food is known for its freshness, vibrant colors, and emphasis on community. Greek cuisine was the first stop. Olive oil, grilled vegetables, fresh herbs, and soft cheese created meals that felt warm and welcoming. A simple Greek salad taught me that quality ingredients can turn the most basic dish into something memorable. The Mediterranean style of eating encouraged slow meals, thoughtful conversations, and appreciation of the moment. Italian cuisine added another layer to my adventure. Pasta dishes demonstrated how a few ingredients can produce countless results depending on technique and creativity. Pizza showed me that a humble dough can become a canvas for regional expression. Italian desserts such as tiramisu highlighted the harmony between sweetness and texture. What impressed me most was the Italian passion for cooking. Food was not rushed. It was prepared with intention and pride. I then traveled through Middle Eastern flavors, where spices, grains, and roasted meats formed dishes filled with warmth and tradition. Hummus, falafel, shawarma, and pilaf revealed a strong connection between land and culture. Many meals were meant to be shared, reflecting values of hospitality and generosity. The Middle Eastern approach to food reminded me that cooking is an act of care, and sharing a meal is a gesture of respect and unity. Throughout these experiences, I noticed how each cuisine carried a different philosophy. Some celebrated simplicity, some emphasized boldness, and others highlighted harmony. Yet, all of them brought people together, which became a central theme in my culinary journey. My final stage of exploration took me across the Americas, where traditions blended with creativity to form bold and memorable flavors. Mexican cuisine offered vibrant dishes filled with color and energy. Tacos, enchiladas, and pozole combined chili, corn, lime, and fresh vegetables in ways that felt lively and celebratory. Each bite held centuries of cultural fusion between indigenous traditions and later influences. Mexican food demonstrated that flavor can be both comforting and exciting at the same time. In the southern regions of the United States, I found dishes rooted in history, resilience, and community. Gumbo, cornbread, fried chicken, and collard greens carried stories of survival and cultural exchange. Barbecue introduced me to slow cooking techniques that required time, patience, and dedication. The smoky aroma reminded me that food can also reflect the land where it is made. Southern cooking celebrated togetherness and the belief that good food should be shared with family and neighbors. South American cuisine brought even more diversity. In Peru, I encountered fresh ceviche made with citrus and herbs, demonstrating the power of simple ingredients used skillfully. In Brazil, feijoada, a hearty stew, showed the cultural mix that shaped the nation. Each dish reflected a blend of indigenous, African, and European influences, proving that cuisine can illustrate history more clearly than any textbook. As my culinary adventure came to an end, I realized that exploring world cuisines was more than a trip through flavors. It was a journey through stories, identities, and connections. Every dish revealed something meaningful about the people who prepared it. Food became a universal language that allowed me to appreciate diversity and understand the world in a deeper, more personal way.